Did you know that over 97 million new jobs are expected to be created worldwide by 2025 due to AI? This is not just a tech statistic. It's a significant wave of opportunity. The question is, will you ride this wave and succeed, or will you watch others do so while you get left behind? Here's the truth. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to reward those who know how to use it. In this video, I will share 5 essential AI skills you can learn, even as a complete beginner, that have the potential to make you wealthy. Don't worry, I won't inundate you with technical jargon. These skills are practical, teachable, and in high demand right now. By the end of this, you will have a clear beginner's blueprint for starting to build wealth with artificial intelligence. Here's the problem many face today. Artificial intelligence is everywhere in the news, yet few explain how the average person can use it to generate income. Instead, we hear extreme claims, some saying artificial intelligence will steal your job, while others insist it will make everyone rich overnight. Both viewpoints are incorrect. The reality is that artificial intelligence is like electricity. When electricity was invented, some people ignored it while others leveraged it to build billion-dollar businesses. It is no different. Those who ignore it will struggle, while those who acquire the right skills will thrive. That's my promise to you. If you focus on these 5 artificial intelligence skills, you will not only future-proof your career, but also unlock opportunities to start businesses, create passive income, and grow wealth in ways most people can't even imagine. Skill 1: AI Prompt Engineering. This may sound not very easy, but it simply means learning how to ask artificial intelligence the right questions. Think of AI as a genie. If you don't know how to articulate your requests clearly, you won't get the results you want. Companies are willing to pay thousands of dollars for individuals who can craft the right prompts that guide AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Claude to produce precisely what they need, whether it's marketing copy, code, designs, or business strategies. The best part? You don't need a degree to start. You can begin practicing today by experimenting with different prompts, testing them, and refining your approach. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT, "Write me an ad," a skilled prompt engineer would say, "Write me a 3-sentence ad targeting college students in New York who are looking for affordable and healthy meal delivery." Use humor and a sense of urgency. The former yields average results, while the latter generates results that can drive profits. Skill 2: AI-Powered Content Creation. We live in a content-driven world. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and blogs are where money flows. AI has transformed content creation into a process that anyone can manage. AI can assist you by researching trending topics and drafting complete video scripts. It can also design thumbnails, edit clips, and even generate voiceovers. Here's the opportunity: businesses, influencers, and brands need a constant stream of content. If you master AI tools for content creation, you can either sell that service or build your own brand. For example, a social media agency that once needed to hire 10 people can now be run by just 2, thanks to artificial intelligence tools. This shift leads to higher profits and faster results. If you can deliver this service, you can command a good salary. Bonus skill: AI in marketing and sales, the secret multiplier. If there's one artificial intelligence skill that can instantly boost your value in today's world, it's leveraging artificial intelligence for marketing and sales. Why? Regardless of your business, whether you are selling t-shirts, offering freelance services, or building an online brand, sales drive revenue. Artificial intelligence is changing the rules of selling. Personalized marketing at scale. In the past, if you wanted to send personalized emails to 1,000 customers, you'd need a large marketing team. Now, artificial intelligence can write 1,000 unique emails in minutes, each tailored to the customer's preferences. Imagine you are a small business owner. Instead of sending a generic email, artificial intelligence can help you create targeted messages like, "Hey Sarah, here's a deal on pet supplies since you bought dog food last week." "Hi Mike, enjoy 20% off gym gear because we know you love fitness." This level of personalization boosts sales and is a skill businesses will pay handsomely for. Artificial intelligence in copywriting and ads. AI can generate high-converting ad copy for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Google in seconds. However, the secret lies not just in pressing a button. The real value comes from knowing how to instruct it to write persuasive copy. For example, instead of a generic ad like "buy our new headphones," you can guide artificial intelligence to craft a more engaging message. Limited time offer. Experience studio quality sound for under $50. Free shipping, today only. This type of ad captures attention, drives clicks, and increases revenue. Artificial intelligence-powered customer service. Businesses lose billions of dollars each year due to slow or inadequate customer service. Artificial intelligence chatbots and assistants can provide instant responses. If you know how to set up these systems, you can save a company thousands of dollars each month. The significant part is that tools like ManyChat and Intercom already come with artificial intelligence built in. There's no need for coding skills. You need to learn how to configure them properly, and that's a valuable, marketable skill. Why this matters? Ultimately, every business has one primary goal: to make more money. By demonstrating how artificial intelligence can boost sales and enhance marketing efforts, you will consistently attract clients, seize opportunities, and even establish your own thriving business. In fact, mastering this single skill could mean the difference between earning a modest side income and building a six-figure AI-powered enterprise. Skill 3. Artificial intelligence data analysis. In the world of business, data is crucial. Every company relies on numbers, sales, customer behavior, trends. However, most people don't know how to interpret that data effectively. Artificial intelligence tools can analyze large volumes of information and turn it into actionable insights quickly. For example, if you manage an online store, you might ask an artificial intelligence tool, "Analyze my sales data and tell me which product has the highest profit margin and which customer group is most likely to make repeat purchases." Instead of spending weeks on manual analysis, you can receive answers in seconds. By learning to use artificial intelligence for data analysis, you position yourself as the person who helps businesses make informed decisions, reduce costs, and increase profits. This skill is immensely valuable. Skill 4. Artificial intelligence for automation. Consider your daily routine. How much time is wasted on repetitive tasks like answering emails, updating spreadsheets, or scheduling posts? Artificial intelligence can automate these tasks efficiently. The financial benefit is clear. By establishing artificial intelligence automation systems for small businesses, you can save them considerable amounts of money and charge a premium for your services. For instance, you could set up a chatbot that automatically responds to customer inquiries, or develop an artificial intelligence system that tracks expenses and generates weekly reports. Businesses are eager for these solutions because they save time and reduce costs, and you become the person who facilitates that transformation. Skill 5. Artificial intelligence enhanced investing and trading. This is where things get really exciting. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people invest. From stock market predictions to cryptocurrency trading to robo-advisors, it helps eliminate human errors, such as emotional decision-making or neglecting to rebalance portfolios. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to get started. Tools like Betterment, Wealthfront, and AI stock screeners are tailored for beginners. For example, imagine investing $500 a month into an artificial intelligence-guided portfolio. Over time, compound growth could potentially turn that into six figures without requiring you to research every stock manually. Learning to use artificial intelligence for investing is not just about increasing your wealth, it's about making more intelligent and safer financial decisions. Now, let's take a moment for a reality check. Artificial intelligence skills are powerful, but the truth is, artificial intelligence won't make you rich. You will. Many people mistakenly think of artificial intelligence as magic. They download a tool, try it once, and give up when they don't see instant results. Here's the key mindset shift. Artificial intelligence is leverage. It's not a lottery ticket. It's a tool that amplifies your effort. If you're lazy, AI won't rescue you. However, if you're disciplined, curious, and willing to learn, artificial intelligence can multiply your results exponentially. Think of it like fitness. A treadmill won't get you fit if you don't use it. But if you walk on it daily, your health will transform. Artificial intelligence can be your treadmill for building wealth. Use it consistently, and the results will amaze you. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one of these 5 artificial intelligence skills and start learning it this week. Perhaps you'll practice creating better prompts, use AI for content creation, or experiment with an artificial intelligence budgeting or investing app. Whatever you choose, take action. The individuals who start today will be the ones enjoying financial freedom in 5 to 10 years. If you're serious about building wealth in the age of artificial intelligence, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week, I share innovative money strategies designed to help you create freedom and security. Before you go, drop a comment below. Which artificial intelligence skill are you most excited to learn first? Let's embark on this journey together because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you.